hopefully we'll start harvesting corn today. Got all the fluids checked on the combine, so let's see how long it takes me to hook this header up. Haven't done it. Well, this is the first time I've hooked this corn header up since I got it home, so let's see how this goes. Feeder house is pretty slow to go down with no weight on it, but we got it hooked up. Now we'll just go up to the shop again and clean out all my air filters and hook up this and test it and see how it goes. Hopefully everything prepped and ready to go. Corn head's locked on. I got my backup camera working, or my reverse camera. Hopefully everything will go smoothly starting out, but we'll get everything set up and hopefully adjusted right. Alright, I think we got our combine set up good. Now we just gotta hook up a bunch of wagons, drag them over so we can really start rolling. We'll run over to that green wagon, that Demco 650 right there, and hook that up. Got another tractor over there hooking up more wagons, so we'll be good to go here shortly. Alright, so here we got a 3394 case. We got one Demco 650 wagon. We got two DMI wagons over there hidden behind the bins yet. And then on this tractor we've got two Demco 365 wagons, the 5250 case. I've got two more of those over there as well. But alright, we're rolling. So far, haven't gotten too much done, but it seems to be going alright. My first year ever harvesting. I just bought this combine, so I'm not going as fast as I probably could be, but I just need to get comfortable with everything. Definitely not the best combine operator in the world, but I'm getting the job done slowly. Keep rolling, and I'll pick back up every so often here and there just to see how things are going. All right, well, got my first hopper full, so let's go and unload that. quite over the hopper, but it was sure close. But everything seems to be rolling so far good. Can't wait to see what our final yield is. Well, got down to one corner of the field here. Saw a while back the neighbor's cows got out and they were on the highway. Went all the way from over there all the way up there to the highway. So looks like they trashed a good chunk of our corn. So that's nice. But, oh well, nothing we can do about it now, but hopefully have something left to harvest here. Well, got a really full grain tank. Didn't take long to get to my first calf corn, but oh well, still getting used to the combine. Well, got a little full on that one, but I didn't quite spill over, so I must be learning something. I'll top out these two wagons. Got one full one way down there. And I've got 4 wagons still left to fill. Elevator's not open tonight. Tonight's a Sunday night, so we'll see if we can get an auger working. We'll try and fill our grain bin, or we'll just have to wait for tomorrow to bring it all into town. So, yeah. So far, everything seems to be going all right. Got some wind damaged corn up there. It's kind of on the ground, so it's a little harder to pick up, but we'll get this unloaded and keep on going. Well, I finally got all the headlands done for the most part. There's a couple of straight runs on the other side of the field, but that's no big deal. Sun's just about set over the horizon. You can kind of see lake in the background and nice area. But so far, can't complain too much, I guess. Check moisture in a little bit, so I'm gonna attempt to check moisture by myself with this. We'll see what it is. This is the moisture tester we got. Turn it on. It's in setting 1 for corn. It's got all these different kinds of settings. 14.8. Can't complain about that. It was a little drier in some of the headlands, but that seems pretty good. Just about to unload. Probably be pretty close to filling this wagon. Still got 3 more to fill tonight if everything goes all right, so we'll keep after it. I've already got 3 full right now, so almost to be 4. Well, I did get that wagon filled up. Got a little bit more put in that back one. Starting to get kind of dark out, so I think we'll turn the lights on. Got all LEDs and a little LED light bar in there too. So got a few LEDs on the grain auger and up tonight. Tonight I got a little bit of help, so I can actually take some exterior video of it as it's running. My brother's never run a combine before, so this is all new to him too. So we'll see how he does. Starting to get a little wet, so this is going to be our last pass of the night. Like he got a full grain tank, so that'll be a good way to end the night. Well, we're calling it a night. We got 5.5 wagons full. We're pulling 4 of them up to the yard. We'll take them to the elevator tomorrow morning. But so far, yeah, everything's going good. I know I keep saying that, but nice when stuff goes good. But yeah, we'll hit it again good tomorrow and get as much as we can done. I don't think we'll finish tomorrow. I hope we won't finish tomorrow. It's kind of fun running a combine, so yeah. We'll pick back up again tomorrow.